Hi everyone. Good morning everyone. Good to see everyone here. If you all can hear me, can you type yes? Okay, good to see everyone here. Hi, Tian Liang, George, Eric, Po Peng, Jonathan, Leo, Mark. Good to see everyone here. Wait for a while. Wow, suddenly we've got a lot of people coming in. Okay, it's Christopher. Hi, Christopher. Hi, Christopher. We have our mentoring coaching tomorrow. If you can make it tomorrow, 12:30, I think. Christopher. I mentioned Cheong, KL. Okay, so good to see everyone here today. The date is today. The date is 4th of May. Okay, 4th of May, 10:32. Okay, good to see everyone here. I will just let you all see the screen. Okay, so no need to see my face. Okay, so can you all see the screen? Okay. Okay, good to see everyone here. Kai, can you hear? Can hear, huh? Okay, good. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, today we will go through the same thing again. We will go through the three parts. We go through first the market outlook, and then after that we go through the stocks that we have scanned over the last few months, and then the last one is we want to go through your stocks. Okay. So first, let's go through the market first. Okay, let's go through. Okay, we are in May already. Okay, we are in May already, and let's look at what's the S&P doing. Okay, so S&P 500 go weekly charts. Let's take a look. Okay, last few weeks, market has been rallying up. Okay, you can see from here, this is a bullish candle. This is a weekly chart, bullish candle, and then after that, the price start to rally. Okay, you can notice here that the candle getting smaller. Yes or no? The high and low are getting smaller. Can you all see that? Okay, the body, okay, body are getting smaller too. Can you all see that? Okay, so what it means is the up move. Okay, the up move from here to here, and going up from here to here, going up from here to here, going up from here, and then there is a sell down. Okay, you can see from here, this tail here. What it means is there are selling pressure around here right now. Okay. Okay. Any question? So we can see from the bigger time frame. This is the bigger time frame. This is what's happening right now. Okay, so we can see that the up move is already a bit of running out of breath already. Okay, we can see that it's no longer conquering any more ground. Okay, like example from here, it conquered a lot of ground. Open low, close high, open low, close high, open low, close high. It tried to go higher, but there was a sell down, and this is a bearish candle. Okay, yes or no? Okay, so the trend is still down. Okay, right now we're having this retracement. Okay, the retracement level, and right now the up is already starting to show tiredness already. Okay, the bulls are trying to show tiredness. Okay, the mode has already changed. Okay, the mode all the while has changed. Okay, so you can see the mode all the while is red color. Okay, got it? Okay. All the while is red color, and the mode also is down. Okay, if you use your GMMA, also is down. Okay, so it's straight downtrend. Okay. If you can plot the 10 MA, the 10 MA is will be something like that. Okay. Got it? Okay, so we are going into this area of resistance, and then right now we are looking for it to the boost slowing down. Okay, and right now I think we will have the down move ready. Okay, right now we will count candle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right now it's like the 6th candle already. Okay, so I think we will have a down move back to test here. Okay, this is the area they want to test. Okay, if you use the trader's GPS, this is the move. Okay, last week I post up this chart. What it means is there is this resistance and this support here. The trend is changed. Okay. Any question? We have been talking about this every week. If you follow, then you should be clear. Okay, the GMMA is like that. Okay. So no change, okay. The view, there's no change. Okay. Right now it's still the same. Okay. So right now let's go to daily charts. Let's go to daily charts. Okay. Daily charts. We can see from here. This was the up move and then the sell. Okay. This is a sell down move, and then right now we have this candle bullish. Okay, on the daily charts. But this is telling you that is what trend? Is there trend or not? Is this candle here strong trend? Okay, telling you no trend. Okay, this one is telling you no trend. Got it? Okay, if you do webinar every week, you should know what I'm talking about. Yes or no? If yes, then type yes, please. Okay. Okay, no trend, okay. Yes, no trend now, correct. Okay, so no trend, okay. So the trend is not clear, okay. Okay, best at best is sideways. I also mentioned this in the graduates group before. Okay, what you all like to know? No trend, but what you all like to know? Kozam just shorted, okay. This one I mentioned, right? Okay, last week on 1st of May, mentioned candle is break, right? And some of you all shorted already, I know. Okay. I also posted up last week, right? Guys, I also posted up last week on the scan, right? On the 20th last week. Okay, starting to look for short opportunity in next 1-2 months. Okay, you can choose to short now, or you can choose to stop short when market open. Okay, when market open at today, I think it's 9:30, then you can short. Do you follow what I'm saying? You don't need to short right now. Okay, if you are doing now, you're doing your futures. Got it? This last week one. Okay, this last week trades. This one who got it? GILD. Some of you all got it right. Okay. So let's look at the next. Let's look at the STI. Okay, so first we want to just go through the market first. Okay, as usual, we want to go through the market first, and then later we go into the individual stocks. Okay. So STI, as I mentioned before, okay, if you are long term, by 1 year kind, okay, then maybe around this level you can look at it. Okay, around this level, you can look at it. I would say it's an area. Okay, this area here. This area here, you can start to look at long-term buy. Okay, because 2% down is nothing. Okay, 2% down is nothing, guys. Okay, you need to wait a bit patient. Okay, because you need to be a bit patient because from the area, right, they want to buy. Right now it's still 12%. Let's say now 8%. Let's say down 2% is still here. Okay, maybe drop a little bit more. If you're long term, then you can look at it. Okay, why I think you can look at it is because we have the Asia financial crisis here, we have the SARS here, global financial crisis here, and right now we are almost reaching about. We are about 5 to 10%. Okay, at the extreme buy level. Okay, got it. The context is if you want to buy STI, you need to hold. Okay, you need to look at it for 1 year at least, and then don't do anything. Okay, what you can do is you can look at the STI ETF. Okay, the STI ETF to look at. Okay, don't short STI. Okay, STI ETF to buy. Okay, you want to do STI ETF is a good instrument. Okay, STI ETF. Okay, any question on STI? Okay, guys, again, I mentioned must trick your setup. Okay, don't chase the money. Okay, trick the setup. I still notice that people are reacting and chasing money. Okay, so don't do that. What you want to do is just focus on your trick setup, like what I do. Okay, any question? Next is Hang Seng. Hang Seng have a bit more to go. Okay, have a bit more to go in terms of the levels. This is the level to look at. Right now, if you want to buy, you must hold. Okay, I think it's not good to trade. Okay, if you want to buy, it's not good to get in and then get out, because what you'll be doing, you are doing counter trend trading. Okay, you're doing counter trend trading is always more risky. Okay, what you want to do is you want to follow the trend. Okay, and if you can have time, you have money to hold, I think you can buy at value. Okay, we are still quite far away from that value for Hang Seng. Still can drop like 20%. Okay, so that is the context. Okay, Browse STI is almost there. Okay. Any question? Okay, the context, right, of Hang Seng also is it may not touch this level before it rebound. Okay, but if you want to buy Hang Seng, you need to be able to hold. Okay, that means it may buy here, it may buy here, but it may still go beyond trend line and then retrace. Okay, for long term, I think okay. Okay, for your individual stocks later, we will have a chance to go through all your stocks. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot my disclaimer. Okay, for whatever I share with you is for education purpose, not advice to buy and sell. Okay, you agree? Please type yes. I think important. Okay, and whatever I show you on the scan is based on the system. Okay, it's based on system to scan. Okay, it's not advice to buy and sell. Okay, STI, Jasmine, STI need to wait. Okay, need to wait. Okay, we are about 5 to 10% away. After this, including today's drop, we still need to have about 5 to 10% away. Okay. And even if you buy, you need to hold. Okay, and don't see. Thank you. Okay, so let's move on to our individual trade. This is our 4th of May scan. Okay, just to verify, these are the stocks prior to today. Okay, that we talk about. We talk about ZM, REGN, RN, mRNA, and Netflix, and this Gillette, right? Okay, all these are the dates. Okay, yes or no? These are in our webinar. We talk about all this stock. If you agree, type yes. Okay, so we will go through these stocks first. Okay, we'll go through these stocks first. But before that, you all agree that these are the prior scan on the webinar that we'll talk about. The dates. Thank you. Okay, so now let's talk about first we start from ZM, then we go upwards. Okay, we go ZM, then we go upwards. So ZM first. Who still owns ZM? Can you comment ZM? Okay, who still owns ZM? Comment ZM. Okay, I show you the context, right? Since 17 February, right? If we look at S&P, okay, you look at S&P, right? 17 February daily charts. 17 February here. 18 February, 17 February, right? Okay, so from here, right, it dropped 34%, and right now it's down about 16%. ZM. Okay, from this date, okay, from this date over here to right now, the S&P index has dropped 16% up to about 34%. Right now it's about 16%. Okay, where else your ZM, right? Since 17th of February, right? Which is, I think here is 18 February, right? 17 February until right now is still up about 46%. Okay, it's still up over 46%. Okay, what we can see from here is trend is still up. Okay, of course, right now the trend is not so stable. Okay, if you are following the candlestick turn rate, okay, you're waiting for the green arrow to buy. Okay, but you're waiting for candlestick turn rate. Notice that the price now is much closer to the zero. Yes or no? Okay, that also tell me that from here, this part when the trend is strong, okay, to right now the trend is not so strong already. Yes or no? Okay, of course it's still not a signal to sell yet. You need to wait for the candle to turn red if you are waiting. If you are entered here, if you are going to wait for the trailing stop, then you may have exited here at 30% returns, or at here right now at 45% returns. Okay, these are the two positions you go. You can use the trailing stop to exit, or the candlestick turn rate to exit. Yes or no? Okay, so little people have ZM. So we talk about this so many times, right? Okay, I think you all don't want to comment. Never mind. Okay, so any question on ZM? Any question? Okay, I move on. Okay, so next one is REGN. Okay, I will ask your comment because maybe you don't want to tell us what you hope. Okay, REGN since 2nd of March, because Tima exit already. Okay, yeah, you can exit. Some of you exited. Re-enter. Don't re-enter. Don't re-enter. Wait for other things. Okay. 2nd of March. I noticed quite a lot of your take profit fast. Okay. So this one, 2nd of March. 2nd of March is when we actually call this stock. Okay. I think it's 2nd of March is here. Okay, here. So 2nd of March to date is about 17%. So REGN also break trailing stop. Notice here, since you buy here, this dotted red line, right? This dotted red line, last week, right? It breaks the line. Yes or no? REGN, I don't know why very few people have. Correct or not? Okay. But if you have, you can exit here because got at least went to up to 28%. Right now it's about 18%, 19% can take already. Okay. Alternatively, you can also wait for candlestick turn rate. Doesn't matter. You can also wait for candlestick turn rate. Any question? REGN, no question. Next one are mRNA. This one a lot of people have. I know, right? mRNA, a lot of people have mRNA. But I don't know whether you all take profit too fast or not. Every time it's like that. Okay, 6th of April. Okay, 6th of April was here. I was a bit late. Okay, this was the arrow. Okay, this was the arrow. Right now you're up about 40%. Okay, out of 40%. Right now, this one still hold. Okay, still hold. It also break below the trailing stop. If you can use the trailing stop, then will be 35%. If not, wait for candlestick turn rate. Haven't exit yet. Okay, but notice that all these stocks, right, 40% returns. Okay, over a period of April until now. Who's still holding mRNA? Type R mRNA. Who's still holding mRNA? I think still got chance to go up. Okay, resting. Okay. Next one is Netflix, NFLX. It was quite good. Quite a lot of people still holding. Fantastic. Okay, so mRNA, right, guys, if you all want to take, you all can take. Okay, if you all got on 6th of April, right, until now 40% already. Okay, and we know that the next 1-2 months, right, market is we are in May already, right? Okay, so if you want to take, can take. Got it? This one you still have, right? Okay, so take note, guys. mRNA, if you want, you can take some. If not, then you can also wait for candlestick turn rate. Got it? If you get it, type yes. Oh, this is our scan on their mRNA. Okay. Next one is Netflix. This was the arrow, and then right now price is here. Okay. This one I think must be for candlestick rate. Okay, because frankly from here, right, this is the first burst. Okay, this was the first burst. Right now price is coming down, and I think can wait. Okay, those got mRNA and A1, you will take profit, make money. Please give me testimony. Okay, thanks. Okay. Got it. This one I think still can hold Netflix. So now you're up. Some of y'all got in late. I don't know why. Okay, up about 3%. Okay, so either you wait for candlestick turn rate like this, or use a trailing stop. Then you trailing stop not much profit, maybe 1% only. But if you wait for candlestick turn rate, let's see how. Okay. Okay, Christy. Netflix better to wait for just candlestick turn rate. Okay, because we do not have, we maybe have 10%. We got maybe highest point was 12%, but really didn't close 10%, 9 over 6%. Oh, excuse me. So maybe just wait for candlestick turn rate. Can? Especially Christie are new, right? Okay, if Christie are new, then wait for candlestick turn rate. Okay, Fat O-Red also same. Okay, wait for candlestick turn rate. Okay. Okay, Netflix okay? If it's okay, type okay. Very little profit. Hey, got profit good already. Last 2 days market came down a lot. Okay. Li Ching. Last 2 days market came down a lot. You all still make profit good already. Okay, last one is last one is this one. Gillette also a lot of your own. Okay, yes or no? Who? I ask your comment. You don't want to comment, so I don't ask your comment. Okay, Gillette. Okay, Gillette is strong, guys. Can you all know that Gillette is strong? Why do I know Gillette is strong? Who can tell me? Why is Gillette strong? Okay, you see, notice just now all the stocks, right, all break below support. Yes or no? Look at this one. Or touch only, rebound, still above support. Okay, so quite a lot of people holding, right? I hope you all don't go and sell like the day going down like that, 3% or 5%, you'll go and sell. Yes or no? Please don't do that. Okay, follow the system. Got it? Don't keep. What you must do is keep losses small, keep profit big. That is what you should do. You should not keep profit small and then keep your losses big. Yes or no? Okay, if you keep having this mistake of making your losses big and then your profit small, then you know that something is wrong. Okay, because when you make profit, you are very fearful. Yes or no? Wow, Gabriel 100% profit. Got it, guys? Any question? This one is last week one. Last week I'll stop. Oh, this last week. Okay, today we got 2 new stocks, ESTC and AOS. These are 2 new swing stocks. Okay. Arrow last week, can you add position tonight to today for G? This one I think can. Okay. So take note that when your arrow is here, okay, 20th, right? 17th, 20th, the trigger date is here. Yes or no? You bought this day. Yes or no? Where got stop loss? Chong, if you do stop loss means you do wrong already. Chong KV, don't have stop loss. Where got stop loss? Get it now. We enter here, now it's up, and then we just hang on. Okay. If you want to buy, I think okay. So what you want to buy is just do the same thing. Okay, wait for prior candle high. Okay, wait for prior candle high. Once it go above prior candle high, then you buy. Got it? Oh, Chong, I think you don't have stop loss. I think if not, you do wrong already. Okay, any question? We finish all our stocks here. Yes or no? Any question? Okay, now let's go to this one, ESTC, swing. These are speculative position, okay? If you agree it's speculative, please type yes. Tan Ipo must go refresher again, okay? Position trade. There's only two ways to exit for position trading: candlestick turn rate or hit below break below support. Or Kipo or poking. Got it? Speculative is very short lah. Yes or no? Short is always speculative. Okay, I'm quite cautious to ask people to short because most people cannot short. I don't know why. Okay, so price is going up. Okay, the key of trading, right, is really to put in trades, know your stop loss, know your entry, know your target. That's all. Okay, and you expect you'll be correct maybe 60% or 70% of the time, 30 to 40% of the time, or even 50% of the time you'll be wrong. You must have this expectation. If you don't have this expectation, then don't trade. Okay, so right now this is an example like that. Okay, so right now we go into this price. Okay, go into this price. So can you see the trend is down? Okay, this is the weekly chart, guys. Weekly charts. Okay, so weekly charts, your trigger will be below here. Okay, trigger meaning to say the price must go below this price. Got it? If you get it, type yes. Part of coaching is repeating and repeating. Okay, got it? Type yes. Plus price must go below this price. Below $60. If yes, type yes. That's what we call a trigger. Okay, stop loss will be this line here. Okay, stop loss will be above this high. This high is $65.60. Okay, so let's put $66, $65.90. Okay, got it? This is a swing trade setup. Okay, one way is you can just look for the break below this line, okay, as a trigger, or alternatively, you can go daily charts. Okay, you can do daily charts. This is for people who are hardworking. Then you just go this and then do this. Okay, when the price cross below here, you will sell. Okay, normally it's just wait for break support. Okay, any question? Yes, if you go during the day. Yes, if you drop during the day. So now got signal, no trigger. Yes or no? Got signal, no trigger. When to take profit? Good question. When to take profit? You can go for maybe here. So if you go for profit to here, if we go for profit to here, $46, you have at least 2 to 1 risk reward. Yes or no? You got 2 to 1 risk reward over the next 1 month. Okay, $46 will be your take profit around here. Okay, let's say example you have 1 to 1. If 1 to 1, you can take half or 1/3. Okay, if you have 1 to 1, you can take 1/3, and then the target is here. You can also take the rest. Okay, this one I found out, right? The insider is selling. Okay, the company is a tech company doing open source, and some of them use their software, but the insider are selling. Okay, there's a saying, right? People buy stock for many reasons. Insider buy stock for many reasons. They may buy stock because they want to show the other shareholders they are committed to the company. They can buy stock because they want to make money from the stock. They can buy stock because many reasons. But people sell stock only for one reason. Yes or no? No. Li Ching can just Google lah. Okay, type in this stock. Okay, go and find out. All this information can Google. Hey, profit okay? Pikatima, Evelyn okay? Trigger, stop loss, target. Can I move on? Last one. Education purpose, please go and do your homework, okay? Please go and do your homework, okay? You should risk no more than how many percent here? Okay, no more than 5%. Okay, if you are starting, risk 2%. Okay, don't be so ambitious. Last one is AOS. Not last one. I still got a good review that I do. AOS. What you should not do is this one hot already. Let me go and sell everything and whack the stock. That is, you're focusing on making money. Okay, you're focusing on making a killing. Okay, then likelihood no good lah. Okay. Okay, this is a weekly chart. Okay, Leo, weekly charts, not daily charts. Scan short. Leo, this one stop loss a bit high. Okay, maybe the stop loss is here. Okay, target is back to here. Okay, trigger, stop loss, target. This one, my stop loss I may pull a bit lower. Okay, I may look at daily charts. I think don't just leave it here. Okay, just leave it here. Okay, this is my stop loss. This is my stop loss. This is my entry. This is my target. Any question? Leo, okay? You are shorting on the weekly charts, not daily charts. A.O. Smith. These are all speculative trade, guys. 1 month kind of trade. Last one, these two we called last week, right? BCH and PTR. BCH. Okay, stop loss should be higher, right? Okay, your trigger here, stop loss should be the swing high, yes or no? Stop loss should be the swing high. Right now, you're in the trade. Let's say, example, you trigger here, you're aiming for this target. Okay, right now, you're out of money. Right now, you're out of money about 6%. Hang on. Hang on, 6%. You will still want to wait for this one. Okay, your stop loss is here. Trigger is here. Target is here. Any question? Any question? BCH. In any case, when your risk, right, from here to here, your risk is about 2 to 5% of your capital. Okay? Don't know, okay? So Lichin just trade the setup. We don't know where's the potential will go up and down. Okay, you just trade the setup. Got it? Last one is PTR. Some of you all have PTR. I think the BCH very hard to trade, is it? It's not it's so this BCH still the same. Okay, this one I think will go down still. Okay, that will go down still. Okay, so when I talk about lock-in progressive profit, right? When you have profit lock-in, got it? Okay, lock-in 30 to 50% as it goes down. This last week. Okay, I think today is down. Tonight will be down. Okay. Okay, these are all swing sell, and then I also talk about selling opportunity this May. Okay, I talked about this last week also. Yes or no? Start to look for selling opportunity 1-2 months. Okay, any question? Any question? So I scan for buy, nothing much to buy. Okay, short have more opportunity. but short is speculative. Okay. Any question for the stocks that we covered? No question. I can move on. Can I move on? Okay, let's cover. Wow, so fast. So fast, 40 minutes already. Okay, so any question? Type in your question. Type in your stocks right now. Okay, I'll go through maybe. How come so fast? I go through maybe three to four. Okay, I think the objective your is maybe just to basically to follow the system, guys. Okay, follow the system. Don't go and anyhow go and trade. Okay. Okay. How many of y'all here have the COGS? COG. How many have? It's a swing trade, yes or no? Oh, last week, right? Can you all see the trigger? How many can see the trigger here? Oh, so trigger 1. This is the swing down, right? This is the 10 MA. This is a 10 MA. CCI low. Trigger. Candle 2, 3, 4. Hit target. Ready. Yes or no? If you never take profit, you really got to ask yourself why you didn't take profit. Oh, so leeching very good. Close the trade, very good. But if you are doing swing, okay, if you are doing swing, good. So if you close the position, good. But if you are not, then like leeching all this, you all take profit already, right? If you are doing position, then nothing much. Hang on. Yes or no? Position, nothing much. Okay, so must be very clear about your swing and position. If you're doing swing or you're doing position. If not, you get confused. Okay, because this just now somebody asked me about swing before this webinar. Okay, you all must be thankful. Okay, last few days market down, you all make profit. It's very good already. Guys, last few days market is down, right? If you all make money, be thankful. If you all every time complain, right? Make so little. Guys, if you all complain, make so little, then it's just like people give you a gift, then every time you complain. Last few days, right? For let's say from here, 27, right? Up and then down already. Do you follow what I'm saying? So be thankful, okay? You are making money, because if not, like we always give you gift, right? Then you always complain, people also tired of giving you gift already. Oh, this is like psychology, okay? Psychology. Okay, so if your COGS daily position, nothing much, okay? Daily position, nothing much. Just hang on. Okay, there's a dip here, the support. Okay, I never say you are leeching, okay? Okay. Okay, so in fact, I think you have a lot of improvement, okay, from asking a lot of questions. Now you're guiding the rest. Very good, leeching. Okay. Because Tima also good, okay? But leeching is what I see you now guiding the new graduates. Okay, so any question? COGS, COG. No, I'm saying like your psychology, guys. Your psychology of trading is so important. That's why I always mention psychology. If you are trading, right, you must have the right psychology. If you don't have the right psychology, it's risky. Okay. If you think that this market is a casino, then it's risky. Okay, GLD, somebody asked, right? So GLD long term is still up. 35% already. Oh, can you see? Since here, up 35%. This is a goal, right? Oh, daily charts. Oh, daily charts also from here. No signal. This is the first signal. Okay, go. Okay, but from here you have some already, right? So gold is a stock that have a lot of gaps. Yes or no? Can you see a lot of gaps here? Gaps, a lot of gaps. Okay, I suggest GLD don't do short term. Okay, do weekly charts. Or you do short term, there's too many gaps already. Okay, so last one. Just now got one gold stock. What's the gold stock? Forgot. What's the gold stock just now? What's the gold stock just now? No, not this one. That's now on the systematic trading group we asked, right? What is this? Hey, gold is bullish, guys. Okay, so if you all got gold, you'll notice a lot of gold stocks are up, right? WPM. Okay, I want to look at this WPM. This is just 2 hours ago, right? This one very strong. Oh, this move is very strong. I think you all use Trader GPS, right? Or this one, or this one. But this stock is strong. Okay, AU also the same thing. AU also the same thing, okay? KGC, I think also the same thing. Okay, guys, this one got teeth. This one teeth is here. This one no teeth, never mind. But this one got teeth already. Oh, this one is who is that? Benson. People enter earlier one, not today. Oh, this one they enter earlier one. No, okay, Benson, follow the system. Okay, follow the system. Guys, try not to break the system like we say no arrow and no teeth and don't enter. Wait for those with system, with teeth and with arrow one. Okay? So don't chase the stock. Okay, don't chase the stock. Right now, this one is like consider arrow number 1. Okay, this consider arrow number 1. This one will count, right? Because there's no teeth, right? So this consider arrow number 1. Okay, it's bullish. For those that came in and haven't go through the class yet, I think you're unique. Okay, then go through the members area. Okay, if you have not go through the class yet, but you're in the graduates group already, little knowledge is dangerous. Poking, little knowledge is dangerous. So I suggest if you have not go through the class, go through this part. Okay, this is about 12 videos on the 2 days course. Okay, and also go through if you want to go through webinar also can. Okay, like every week we cover the webinar, like GLD, ZM, all these stocks we covered here. But I think these 2 at least you must go through. Okay, master class can be later. Okay, master class you can do it later. Okay, but go through this one, how to see the arrows. Okay, maybe 1 or 2 of the webinars, last week webinar and stuff like that. Okay, especially for those who have not go through the class. For those that forget, or keep breaking rules, right? Then go through this also. Okay, I think this will help you a lot. Can for the short, right? You can do tonight. Okay, you don't need to do now. You can wait for market open, then short if you want. Okay, for Nasdaq and things like that. I know some of y'all shorted already, but if y'all want, y'all can actually wait for market to open, then short also can. Okay, some of y'all shorted already. Okay, any other question? For those member of public, right? If you are watching this, right, and you want to be part of our community, every week we do this. Every week, so long as you are part of our community, we continue to do this, and there is no end to the thing. Okay, that means once you are part of this community, you're part of this community for life. Okay, so every week we do this, and we also have this course. Okay, if you want to find out more, you can go to this website, CollinSeow.com/SWP. Okay, question. Okay, maybe we just have come Q&A. Okay, come Q&A to help you all. Short through CFD. Yes, index is short through CFD. Okay, go and find what is the index in the. You can ask Daphne what is the S&P equivalent or Nasdaq equivalent. Okay, by the way, I think if they have this, will be good. If they have this, will be good. This will be better. Russell 2000, right? Okay, Russell 2000. This is a weekly chart for Russell. Russell is considered the smaller stocks, the smaller index. Okay, Dow, S&P are considered the bigger stocks. Yes. Okay, so a lot of CFD provider has Russell. Okay, I think Russell is a better bet because in this situation, right, the smaller cap may be more affected than the bigger cap. Okay, because they don't have the financial power. The government also take care of the bigger guys and the smaller guys. Got it? Okay, so look at this price action here, the last candle here. And this is also a setup. So you can look for this. So go and ask the CFD provider you have Russell or not. Okay, can you see this one? This one changed to 20, right? Changed to 5, right? Okay. Okay, some question answer time. Okay. Gold, do you think can hit higher? The answer is don't know. Okay. But the trend looks like strong. Looks like it's strong. Okay. These are for the US smaller cap. Okay, US smaller cap. Okay. IWN, right? That is the ETF, is it? Yeah. IWN is the ETF. Done. Okay. When you talk about ETF, tends to have more gaps. Okay, tends to have more gap. Okay, but all have the same setup. So Russell is not the index for big stocks, guys. Russell is the index for smaller cap stocks. Okay. For broker related, I will answer here. Okay, broker related, you ask your broker. How accurate is sell in May go away? It's not so much of that, Jasmine. It's not so much of sell in May go away. It's more of our setup. Okay, our trading setup. Got it? It's our trading setup. Price time here, touch CCI high. And then it's our trading setup. It's not so much of that. You got what I'm saying? Even though we say sell in May go away, but it's our setup. Can you see the setup, Jasmine? Okay, any other question? Yes, so need to wait. When market open, if it close, if it is below here, you can do already. Low of last week, not this week, guys. Benson. Low of last week. That means the low of last week S&P is 2820. Not this week. This week is just started. Low of last week. Okay, any other question? Training related one. Any other question? Don't ask about individual stock already. That's training related one. Don't have question. Okay, last thing is I want to share with you all is psychology, guys. It's all about psychology. Okay, it's all about psychology. And be aware of what you are doing. Okay, when you trade, be aware of what you are. How are you behaving? You know, your greed and your fear, your emotions, and things like that. Okay, be aware of those. Okay. Yeah, market down, position stock can still go up. Yes, possible. Okay, so we talk about the few stocks just now, right? Benson, I suggest if you are new. Have you attended class already? Finished the class already? If you have not finished the class, I suggest you go through the training again and again and again, rather than go and do master class. Okay, if you have finished your master class, then maybe you can go and look through. Okay, focus on the basics. Okay, Benson, focus on the basics. Focus on the basics. I can go through this one, it's a psychology one. Okay. This psychology you can go through. Hidden arrow, actually, I suggest, unless you are making money already, you are very profitable already, then you can look at hidden arrow. Distinction of swing trading. Yes, distinction of swing trading is good. Okay. Weekly strategy of taking profit is good. Okay. These are all for basics. And one more is how to select better stock using Trader GPS. This is good. Okay. These are the few that you can go through. Can? Okay. So if not, then we will continue to talk in the graduates group. Okay, continue to discuss over here. Can? If not, then thank you, everyone. Thanks for joining us. See you. Bye.